All right, 2012 Jeep Wrangler. This will be part 2 of 2 parts about the dashboard lights flickering on and off, including the dome light. So, the problem is, it is the headlight switch. This multi-task switch that's over here. Now to remove it, we're going to take this panel off, which goes right on the bottom here. Pulls right off, snaps right off. Then there's a lower cover. This lower cover. This lower cover has 3 screws. 1 in the middle and 2 long ones hidden inside there. Once you take that off, this cover comes off. This top panel comes off. And then you're stuck with the switch itself. So with the tilt all the way down, okay, there's 1 black Phillips screw sitting right here. Take that Phillips screw off, and this whole assembly is going to slide out. See it? There's 2 plugs, the one in the back, the yellow wire in the front. I'll show it to you on a new one. This is the new one. Okay, this is the one in the back, that plug. This is the one in the front, that plug. And it's going to slide in a slot. There's a slot right here for it. There's a slot over here for it. There it is right there. All right. So it'll go right in there as a replacement. All right, I'm going to do that now. I'm going to put your guys on hold. I just want to show you when you slide it out. There you go. All right. Take it out of that channel over here. There's a little channel over here that covers the wiring. All right, and you'll be able to access the plugs a lot easier. Just gotta squeeze those tabs. All right, hang on. There you go. Tab 1 is out. Tab 2 is out. Throw the switch out. Time for a new one. I'm gonna plug them right back in and slide it right in, and I'm gonna put that screw back in. Hold on. All right, so we run into glitch number 1 of this Duralast brand multi-function switch. If you look at this plug, the one to the right, the one I'm moving right now, is the original one. See how the pins are centered exactly in the middle of that plug? And look at the one to the left, the one with the red marking. See, the pin is too far to the left? So that's why that plug does not want to plug in. See it? So I'm going to have to adjust those pins a little bit so it looks like the one that I'm moving. It's got to be in the middle of that rectangle. The red one, it is not. See it? It's more over to the left or more towards the top, depending on how you're looking at it. All right, it's going to let a little screwdriver in there or plastic thing. It's going to bend those tabs towards the middle a little bit so the plug can plug in. Hold on. All right, all is good. Maybe a little manufacturing defect there. The little circuit board there was pushed up a little higher. But clicked right in after that. Make sure, like I said, these tabs here, they line up in those little grooves. There's one on the top and one on the bottom. This one right here. Right? Once you line them up, the hole should line up. Make sure that yellow wire is behind that little black panel right there so it doesn't get pinched. This one's on the side. That won't get pinched. And you go and you put that little Phillips screwdriver back in. That screw. Okay? Hold on. Okay, so before you put all the covers back on, if you want to test it, you can. There you go. It's running. You're shaking it. No more flashing of the lights. This is the dashboard lights. Then the interior lights come on. Okay. Lower the dash. Left turn. Right turn. Headlights. High beams. This is on automatic. That's it. There you go. Wiggle. Light is now gone. Right, just gotta put the covers back on. Don't forget, top cover, bottom cover, 3 screws. and the bottom of the dash, that panel, snap it back on. All right, adios, enjoy.